Nate, yes!
I'm on,
Get everything up! Get everything up! Get everything up!
Got him. He's got him.
No, there we go.
Everything up.
That's a big one, dude. You got a big fish.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's huge! We're not getting him up this hole!
Check, check.
Check. Hey, check, check. Check, check. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a good one. Right now, we're parked right outside a gas station and some Dunkin' Donuts. Not sponsored, but hey.
And we got some Doritos too.
And we got Doritos. Not sponsored by either of these companies.
We should probably cover it with the stickers.
You wanna cover that real quick? Anyways, guys, right now it's 5:45 in the morning. And we woke up at about 3:15. We've been driving for over, what, an hour and a half so far? Definitely. Something like that. We're gonna do some catfishing today. Some catfishing through the ice. It's gonna be pretty epic. I wanna keep this intro short because the video is gonna be long. That's the goal. So I wanna keep this short, wanna keep it quick and simple so we can get on the ice. If you guys are new here, my name's Cade. This is my boy, Justin, Jay. Call him whatever you want. I don't really care. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Hit the subscribe down below. It's gonna be some epic content today. I'm really looking forward to getting my first cat through the ice, and apparently they felt like crazy.
Shout out to Martin Outdoors for showing.
That's right, Martin showed the spot. Thank you, Martin, much appreciated. Now it's time to slay some catfish. We got a little more driving to do. We got some hot chocolate with some espresso. We got some donuts. We got some breakfast. We got the grub. We're meeting with Nate out there as well. We're ready to go. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's catch some fish. What's up, boys? We're back. We made it to the spot. Justin's behind me about to drill a hole. Let's see how this goes. Wow, he sucks. What's up? Oh, baby. Woohoo! Yeah. All right, boys, we are set up. We are ready to go. We'll show you guys an outside look. It's pretty dark in there. We got some cut bait set up. We got the beautiful shanty set up, and we got 3 holes. And we already marked the catfish, or 2 catfish. I think they kind of came through. So then we're all sitting. How deep are we?
Like 28.
Like 28 feet. So we drop it all the way down there. We got some live cut bait, and hopefully that's the ticket to getting a catfish. It's worked before for those guys, so hopefully it works today. I'm pumped. Let's get a fish.
Oh my god, we got 3 fish. Oh shit, dude, there's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. Nate, yes!
I'm on.
Get everything up! Get everything up! Get everything up!
I'm on.
All right, don't horse it. Don't horse it. Don't horse it.
Nick, you grab my big camera to my backpack? Did you see the rod just bend?
We found it, baby. All right, take it easy. Take it easy.
Yeah, I'm just relaxing here.
Oh, yeah.
Are we live?
2 fish just shot up out of nowhere.
It was literally, we were just down there, and then one red dot came in.
I literally just hooked up for the,
and then
like, this action's going.
And then another dot came in. I did not think I was gonna go down. I was looking at your rods, took one look at mine, and it just barely went down, like Justin was saying.
That's a big one, dude. You got a big one.
So my heart is beating so fast, dude.
Just relax. How does that feel to hook into it, dude?
So cool.
I knew it was gonna eat too. I was like, watch the rod tips.
And it barely went down.
We need to get the shanty here. Don't worry, he's still. They fight hard.
Yeah. Good idea. I'm gonna be honest with you. I got no clue. You hear that?
There he goes.
It's just peeling, dude. I'm shaking right now. I'm so nervous.
Dude, I was so sick.
We woke up at 3:15 for this. We better get this one in. He was like he's getting a little tired there. Okay, maybe not. Maybe, you know what? Maybe he's not even tired at all.
You got a big fish. You got a big fish.
Let's go.
Trying to, and then he...
Oh yeah, he's close. I see him.
Yeah.
He's right down there. Yeah. Oh, it's a huge one. Don't do anything. Yes! Let's go!
Oh my god! That's a monster! Oh my god! Let's go! Let's go! Like this?
Yep. That's bigger than the one I just lost, dude.
Cool. Here's the fish, guys. 16 pounds. Does that look cool on camera?
Yeah.
2 ounces. We'll get one more portrait mode to make sure it looks good. We'll slide it right back down the hole. Yeah. Oh. There you go. Now he's Justin with it. Oh, he's ready to go. And it's off. My hands are so cold. Let's go.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go. Thank you so much for recording, Nate. We got him, boys. I'm freaking out. This is crazy. My hands are freezing though. We're gonna grab the shanty because it's all over there. Put this down. What a fish. Dude, it's blazing red.
Oh, hey, you got him.
He's got him. No way. There we go.
Everything up,
Oh!
everything up. Take my phone. Take my phone. Take my phone. This thing feels heavy as shit.
All right, he's got one. Take everything out. Something. The big camera's probably not gonna make it, but Justin's hooked up here. I don't even see a thing. He's.
Let's go. Dude, he feels heavy as crap.
You would know. You've caught a ton.
Yeah,
so,
dude.
guys, Justin has been fighting this fish for like 5 minutes already. We're still not really getting. Oh, now we're making some. Oh, okay, making some moves. Big fish on.
Oh yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's huge! We're not getting him up this hole!
Are you serious? He's not gonna fit?
Dude!
It's huge.
It's actually huge!
Oh yeah, that's it. That's it.
Yes!
Oh!
Let's go!
Head outside! Dude!
Oh!
That's a monster!
Oh!
Oh!
Straight up the hole, dude.
That's awesome. Go outside. Let's go outside. This is nuts.
I can't believe I stepped in my ice hole.
Dumb. Dude.
There with like one.
Dude,
arm.
I'm sorry, but it's like 2 ounces heavier than yours.
No! It's a lot longer too. That one's definitely longer than mine. So that's what, 16 pounds, 5 ounces? First one was 16 pounds.
16 pounds, 5 ounces.
First one was 16 pounds, 3 ounces. What a beauty. Hold her up for the big camera here. And then we'll get some pictures.
Sir.
Wow.
Look at that catfish.
That is such a cool cat. Look at these whiskers on this bad boy. Look at the mouth. Look at the mouth on that guy right there. Yeah, a little comparison. That's what it looks like. Justin's next to a catfish. Let's get some shots real quick of this, man. That is so cool. Boys, we're dropping this GoPro down. Operation Underwater Release.
It's always that one fin.
There it goes. Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's get some more. He's still on. He's still down there.
I lost my bait though.
He's on me right
He's
now.
on you right now.
Hardcore.
He's gonna. Yep.
He's on me. I got him. I got him.
Yeah,
I got him.
baby.
Woo!
Yeah!
Hey, take the juicer out.
Yeah.
Nate, you want to take this?
Huh?
You want to take it?
Oh no, it's all yours.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right,
We
all
got
right.
plenty more time.
Yeah, dude!
Let's go.
Hell yeah!
Guys, we are hooked up. This fish actually just missed Nate. See, did he hit it?
Yeah.
And he took his bait.
He took it.
He took his bait, and then we were like, oh, you know, crap. And then he goes down to mine, and he just barely bumps it. See if you can see him down that one.
Yo, I'm just gonna hold it.
Oh, I thought he came off. He didn't.
Are you sure he's not big?
I thought my drag was a little loose.
That's a big grip.
All right, both of them left me. I don't know what Nate's doing. Justin's taking a pee, but we probably got a solid 5 minutes before this fish is coming in. You hear that? He's just still taking drag. It's all he's doing.
And like put your rod down so the line comes off the ice, and then put it on a new spot.
Oh man, Nate, why don't you show him what you're eating real quick?
I think I did.
Oh, did you really?
Cause I'd be tweaking right now.
Justin, be
Oh,
like,
there he is!
did you see him?
Oh, his tail's huge.
Boy, I have him by the tail.
No, you don't have him by the tail.
I thought I did.
Oh my god. Wait, yeah, you do.
I have him by the tail, dude.
How is that even possible?
I have him snagged by the tail. You tail grab him if you
I
can.
know. I just tried.
Here,
How is that even
try to do it through
possible?
my hole though.
That wasn't on. That didn't.
He didn't hit me.
The hook. No,
he bumped
hit,
me.
He hit you, dude.
You think he hit
Yeah,
me
he
and I
hit
just
you.
set into his tail?
No, he hit you, and I think the hook came out during the fight.
Oh, hold on. Oh,
Did you feel anything weird during the fight? Don't
I
move
did.
it
I
anymore.
did.
Don't do it and move it
All
anymore.
right, I'm not.
Got him.
Is he gonna get through though? Cause he's got his That's what I'm saying.
We got him no matter what. Here we go.
Oh,
my god, that's a big one.
dude. So we,
That's a
guys,
tank.
he's hooked in the tail.
Somehow.
No, I did feel during the fight. Remember, I thought for a second I was like, oh,
Yeah,
because
you
he
thought it
must have
came
popped off his
He
face
popped off and Cade
and got him in the
luckily
tail. He's
nailed-
blind in this
Yeah,
eye.
he is blind.
Oh, we're gonna go outside, get some pictures, get a weight. Let's go, boys.
That's a big cat, dude.
That's huge.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Nicely done, dude.
So that's her. I'm trying to get a good grip on her so I can hold her out nice for a good picture. 17 pounds and 3 ounces.
Damn, that looks sweet.
That's so cool. What a fish, man. We're gonna get a few pictures and put her back. Yeah, get a close up of that. Oh, that's so sick. We're gonna wait till she's ready. Should be any second now. She had a long 10-minute fight, I think it was. Obviously, it'll be cropped down to about 30 seconds or a minute, but it was a long fight. Oh, boys! Let's go!
Oh yeah, dude.
Let's go! All right, another fish down. We still need to get Nate one, and it's feeling good.
More.
Yeah,
He got him.
dude, yeah.
He's on. Let's go.
Nice.
Oh
easy,
man.
Nate, easy. Don't horse it.
Jeez.
Don't horse it.
Nate's on, baby.
Oh yeah.
Just when I get
Yeah,
back.
another one of those.
And my GoPro's dead too.
Here, Nate. Oh. Here, Nate.
Yeah, that's gonna be hard.
Hey, just be careful. Take your time.
Yeah.
All we got is time. Ooh, saw the tail on that one.
Oh shit.
Here, hold up. Bring him up. There we go.
Oh, get him through. Yes, sir. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at the cat, baby.
Yes,
God, that looks so cool. Nate, let's go, baby.
Let's go.
First big cat. Let's go. Everyone's got one now. That is so sick. Nate with his first big cat.
Yes, sir.
That is sick. We're gonna snap a couple pictures of that, and I like that this one looks like the color's like a little cooler than the other ones.
Blind in one eye too.
Is that one blind?
Oh my god, he is.
Yeah, he is.
Let's see. They're all blind down there,
All
man.
the blind fish.
What a fish, though. Woohoo! One more look on the big camera before we let her go. Big old cat, baby. Let's go. It's a beauty.
This one go.
Is he GoPro runner?
No, it's dead. Remember?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, wait,
actually,
my
I'm gonna put it
line's
on
on
this
that.
one. Actually, no.
Just shoot him down there like a torpedo.
Yo.
There you go.
Oh shit.
He's coming right up for yours, dude. Jeez.
Yep.
Oh, God.
Yep.
Oh yeah, dude.
Dude, it came out of nowhere.
Hell yeah.
That one ate.
That was
Yeah.
sweet. Let me pull out the deucer, huh?
That ate for sure.
Look at the head.
Yeah, I already see it. You see it down
Dude,
there? Oh, it's huge.
it's huge.
Oh my God.
Holy
That thing's huge. He's coming up quick, too.
Yeah,
Now
dude,
he's
that's
gonna run.
big, bro.
Now he's gonna
Strike
run.
hard. Did you see how he came up?
He just came straight
Dude, I
up.
thought the
Oh,
thing
look at
was.
him, look at him, look at him.
I thought
Oh,
the thing.
that's so sick.
I thought the thing was a buffalo.
See it when you
Yeah,
see
put it down that one.
this one.
Yeah.
He's that way, huh?
Yeah.
I need to get in there to land. Though.
Oh, baby.
That's a nice one, dude.
That head on that one's
He
huge.
smoked that. She get back down there, dude.
Nice
That
job.
thing flew
Look
up.
at that.
Good work, Nate. That's awesome,
go.
dude. I mean, he just came straight up. I was looking at him. I was like,
Yeah.
oh my God, he's flying towards us.
He's like, get it better.
And there's Nate's. This one's what, bigger than your last one?
Yeah.
That one's a beast, dude. That is sick. We're gonna get weight on this one. We didn't get weight on Nate's first one. But wow, what a fun fish to catch through the ice, dude. That is so
Look how big the
so
tail
cool.
is, too.
That tail's huge. Such a cool bite. There she is
Alright.
again.
There she is.
That's
That's
so
a
cool.
beast.
That was the quickest fight we've ever had so far. That's one. That's
what I would
crazy.
prefer.
Yeah, me too. He just came straight up.
His head is huge.
Maybe go through the other hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, his fins are.
We'll give it a shot.
Yeah, it'll slide right through there on an angle. The torpedo. Oh, nice, bro. Let's go.
Let's go!
Dude, that was sick. That fight was sick.
Yeah, it was sick. All right, guys. That is going to wrap it up for today. We're going to start taking stuff down. Successful day for this guy right here. The last two catfish were caught by him. So he was skunked for a bit and then finally got two on board. I just caught a walleye. Probably my favorite day of ice fishing ever. I mean, I don't ice fish that often. Yeah, we pulled it off. We both caught a couple of fish. It was a fantastic day. I mean, we woke up early. We just got up at 3:15 this morning. I've never done that in my life. This guy slept until like 5 or something. We had to wake him up. He had no alarm.
And I still got there.
And he still beat us here. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna leave these guys' social links down below, so feel free to check them out. They're the boys. If you did enjoy, subscribe down below, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace.